Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to do is sort the induction kit out properly. I'm going to show you actually how to do it and what I'm doing, because what I put on the other day was like a bit of a bodge. It was just I took the cone filter off the Astra and I stuck it on the Megane, and it isn't a proper snug fit. What we're going to do today is we're actually going to fit the proper induction kit that I bought for the car. So I'll show you where the problem is, and then we'll start ripping the car apart, and let's get it. Right then guys, so there you go. Last time we fitted this Icon silicone hose and that one there. Obviously I took the cone filter off the Astra, but after like checking it, I could literally go like that, and yep, it's literally just come away. So that is no good for the car. The thing is, I like it because obviously I always sit there driving seat and I can hear it going like all these sexy noises, but I've got an induction kit, so let's show it. The only reason I'm a bit skeptical is because I love the noise, I love the suction noise that it makes, and obviously this one is going to be hidden, so hopefully we can still hear the noise, but here it is anyway. This is the one we've got. So basically that pipe work there like pretty much comes off the turbo. That goes down, and then it sits pretty much like down there under the wheel arch. So it literally like comes off there, goes down there, and then it scuttles off underneath here. So what I'm going to do, let's show you how to fit it. I'm going to like take the ECU off and all that again, take the airbox out of the way, just so we've got a clean slate, and then we'll get it. I don't know whether to show you how to remove the battery and that, because I kind of like went over that in the last video. So what I'll probably do is just take all the bits off, and then I'll skip to it when we've just literally got this pipe and this section here. So let's get it. And so what I'll do, I'll give you a quick little brief overview. So you've got two that hold like the negative on. So undo them, move them out of the way. Then we've got the positive. So I put this on the wrong way when I fitted it, but undo that one, undo that one. That comes out of the way. Then what you have then is two bolts there, that one there, that one there. You can remove this, and then the battery will pull out, and then you will have 2 or 3 bolts under the battery tray. You'll have one there, and there's another one further down. There we go, one there, one there, and then to be fair, there's no point really undoing this, because obviously when you pull the battery out, you've got your ECU, so there's 3 clips and connectors. Undo those, push them out of the way, and pretty much you should be good to pull the battery tray out. So I'll get back to you when that's out. Whoa, what is that? Ready? Woo. He's sending it. Right, on further notice, 13mm there, that one there. Basically I've dropped it down there, so I'm gonna have to set the under tray off just to get the 13mm. I'm hoping somewhere in my toolbox I've got a 13mm, but God, this gun is making life so easy, even already. Bosh, straight out. I'd be there for ages with the spanner. Whee. And so basically I've absolutely messed up big time. I've got two 13mm, and they have both just fell off the extension. So yeah, great, love it. Right then, so because I can't continue anymore, I need to get the 13mm out the tray, because I've got no way of getting this battery tray out. So I'm gonna have to jack the car up. I need to jack the car up anyway, so I'm gonna have to take the wheel off. What I'm gonna do is gonna remove the wheel arch lining, and hopefully I can grab the 13mm and the socket, and then I'll continue removing the airbox, the battery tray. So what I'll do, jack the car up, get it in the air, and then we'll go from there and video. So let's go. Right then, let's go. Woo. No messing, mate. Woo. Remove the wheel. There we go. Yeah, boy. Right done everyone. So we've got one bolt there, one bolt there. I'm going to hopefully undo them two, and then I'm hoping that the wheel arch lining will come away. Get the ratchet, undo the battery. Let's see where we're at. Right, then I've undone this, and there is loads of like little mad clips. Hopefully you can see that because of the sun, but there's like clips. They're just little push rivet things like there, one there, and there's another one down there. I've managed to get underneath it, and I've noticed there's a fair bit of oil here, which I don't really like the look of that. It seems to be like, I'll zoom in for you, there, pretty much over there, and zoom out, look at that. It seems a bit moist, so I might have to take the tray off and have a look, see what that is. It doesn't seem to be leaking any oil, but if anyone knows what that could be, let me know please. Right then, I managed to get the 13mm out, one of them, so there's still another one under there. What I'm going to do now is just undo the ECU, and then battery tray will be ready to pull out, so let's get it. Right then guys, so battery is out, moved that all the way, induction kit can go off, but I literally need to get down there. So see where these headlight sits. What I'm going to do now is take the headlight out. I'm aware it's that bolt there, and there is a little slotting mechanism kit like so. So what I'm going to do, I'll do them. Do you know what I really like about this Renault so far? That's really good. So say if you round the bolt with a socket, you've still got the Torx head to do. So that's really good, to be honest. None of that in the old cheeky box, or see what I mean? So if you Torxed it and you wreck the head, you've still got the socket to go on, so pretty good. So let's undo that, see how we get on. So theoretically, I should now be able to just pull this out, so I'm told. Woo! Watch your fingers. Wow. There's a couple of clips, which I don't like the look of. To be honest with you, free. So there we go, that's slid out the way. So should be pretty simple from here. So let's get it. Right then, so cheeky little update. So we've got the pipe that comes over here, goes down there, literally slides down there, goes into there, runs down behind the light, and literally sits there. So what I've got to do now, I can never go through any puddles or anything like that again. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to get some 2 Jubilees, that one there, get one for there as well. Do it up and hopefully it's sound. Right then, there we go. So we got elbow coming off there, 90-degree bend, and then it literally shoots down there, and that's where it fits. So I've literally just pulled half the wheel out, liner out. It's gone in there. Headlights obviously come out, 3 connectors. So yeah, what I'm going to do, put the battery tray back in, check it, start it, just see if it drives right, and then put the rest back together. Let's get it. What I've done as well is there's little ducts that literally sit under there like that. I've been told to get rid of them because they can stop braking. It's a lot better to cool the brakes down without having that little thing in the way. So wheels on, induction kit's fitted. That looks actually a lot better. I was debating whether to wrap it gold tape, but I'm happy. What I'm going to do now, make sure wheels on tight, just double check it, and then go out for a spin and see how it sounds. So let's get it. Right then guys, that is it for today's video. I kind of want to show you what it sounds like. To be fair, it hasn't really changed. I thought it'd be a lot louder being next to me rather than down in the wheel arch, if that makes sense. But surprisingly enough, it sounds the same. If not, it might even sound a bit louder. What I've done, the exhaust was doing me in, so I put the back box back on. It sounds really quiet. There's no pops, there's no bangs. It's so lame, it's unbelievable. Like Astro VXR wins hands down for sound. Like, it's unreal. but the Megane's got like it's a weird sound, like the Megane, it's weird. You need to hear one on full chat to understand it. But yeah, I am going to do a driving video. I've got to do 5 things I love about the Megane, 5 things I hate about the Megane, and here is the Megane and why I bought it. So, and a little driving video, so obviously I need to get that stuff done. I'm not really going to do anything major performance wise in the next couple of videos, because I want to take it on the dyno fairly stock. So just want to say thank you for everyone for watching. I kind of didn't want to go over everything again because I know some of you are moaning about the time of the videos and stuff. I don't want to make it really long, but sometimes if I'm getting stuck into stuff, it's better just to go bash it out and do it, do you know what I mean? So if you don't like the 20-30 minute videos, do you think I should split it into 2 15-minute videos or what? Just comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please like, share, subscribe. If you please subscribe more than anything. We're nearly on 5k, which is half of my goal. So just click on that little button and it makes my day like so happy. So yeah, all I want to say is thank you for sharing the love. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for not wasting your time. Thank you for spending 10-15 minutes of your time watching these videos. You lot are amazing. Thank you.